Good afternoon. My name is Walter Clark. This is a demo for my app called Radio Tracker. Little background on the idea of where this app came from. Actually came from previous employment where I was in charge of tracking, managing our radios. I needed to know who had the radio at all times. And I did everything on the spreadsheet. So I essentially brought my spreadsheet to an app to make what would have been my job easier. So where we start is that we have a radio list on this app. This would serve as my master inventory. This is the radios. If the radio is not rented, it should be in my warehouse. If it is rented, that means that it should be assigned to a deputy. So all these radios say not rented or in my warehouse. The radios that say rented, you can see the serial number and who that radio is assigned to. Um, of course, we have the ability to create a radio. So when we create a radio, that radio should show up. Um, if we ever create a radio, that radio will show up not rented because that means obviously it's brand new and it just got into our warehouse. We also have the ability to create a deputy. So we'll create Tim Jones, make his location the jail. If we go to our deputy list, we will see Tim Jones. Location is the jail. He does not currently have a radio assigned to him. Um, on your deputy list, you will see deputies and what radios are assigned to those deputies. If we go back to our radio list, radio for a 1CSM 1001. If we want to rent that radio to Tim Jones, we will put a date, 23, the radio ID, the deputy ID, and then we will see that Tim Jones now has radio 481 CSM 1001. Go back to the radio list. It shows the same information. Also, with this app, if we would like to see just a list of deputies and radios in courts, we can go to courts. If we just like to see the ones in the jail, we can go to jail. Um, we also have a transfer button. If I transfer this button, we can change the location of the radio and it will send it to that new location. It will change the location. And also, when a deputy returns the radio to leave the agency, we simply hit the return radio function. That will delete the deputy from the whole system because he's leaving the agency. So on your deputy list, Tim Jones is deleted, and you go back to your radio list, and it will tell you that the radio that was assigned to him is no longer rented. And this is my radio app, the Radio Tracker app.